Hello guys, what's up? Hope you guys are doing well. In this video, I'm going to share my trading journey from being a student to a trader. Basically, I started my trading journey in my second year of my college. As a beginner, I was struggling bad to start, obviously, and I had no money in hand. Then I started to learn about markets, candlesticks, and patterns from YouTube as a free source. And as everyone is very interested to make quick money, I also sucked into it. And finally, I realized that you can't succeed in making quick money. Trading is a business, so I have to take it as a business and you have to keep on learning. Then I decided that according to my lifestyle, swing trading will be suitable for me. So I decided to learn about swing trading and give me 100% in learning. And I came across various YouTube videos and contents that are available as a free source. And each content creator says something new about trading, and they they are good in their style, and we have to find our own style to excel in it. So during my first year of trading journey, I started to consume content from YouTube and learned many things from trading books. And then I decided to build my system on my own. Then I started with a small capital and saw the reality of market. What I learned through theoretically from books and videos is different in real market, because it doesn't happen the same, because market is driven by psychology and the emotions of many traders. As a whole, the stock is moving up or down. So then I started to rectify my mistakes and fine tune my system according to my mindset. Then next year I started to build my system and journal all my mistakes what I made, and I keep on rectifying my mistakes, losing small and rectifying my mistakes. Then I build a successful system which suits my mindset, and then I'm successfully trading that system for the past 2 years. If you're very focused and want to achieve something big in the markets, do consistently and believe that you can. After you mastered it, your 3 to 4 months of losses in the initial stage will be recovered in just 1 or 2 days in trading. That's the power of trading. And if you want if you want to be successful in trading, you have to lose small and win big in markets. That's the key to success. My advice to beginners who are starting their trading journey: you may be student or a working professional or a aged guy, it doesn't matter. What you do in the markets and how you rectify your mistakes is that matters. And you have to rectify a system and build a profitable system. In the initial stages, give your time to learn about markets, price action, volumes, and mindset and risk management. This will be very useful, as in the beginning stage you doesn't know anything about the market. So you have to keep on learning lot of things about trading, how it works, how market moves, how institutional money is coming into the stock, and how price action works, how the volume is playing an important role in trading. These all things should be learned when you are in the initial stages of the trading. And then start small and build your confidence on the system, and make mistakes but learn from it and retune your systems. Without making mistakes, you can't learn from market. So you have to make mistakes. Your mistakes should be small and you have to rectify it and learn from that. That will lead to a profitable system. And don't follow behind calls and signals. Basically, some guys who are into new into trading will always fall for the traps that has been put on you by the some of the influencers. These guys will give you calls and signals, and they will say that you can make 5,000 just by buying this stock or selling the stocks. It doesn't work in the long term. If you want to be consistently successful trader, then you have to put in your work on your own and then build your system. That way you will be successful. And as a keen advice, you can take this advice or not. You have I always say to every newbie who is entering the market, all will have the mindset of getting quick money, and you will be got into options trading. So as my advice, don't get into options trading in the beginning. As a beginner, you doesn't have that capacity to manage the risk and stress in the options. So you have to start small and learn about markets, how longer time frame market works, and then go into the shorter time frames and get learning about options too. So keep on learning. As I said, trading is a business. You have to treat it as a business, or else you can't make money from it. Don't do it for time pass. You have to give your 100% on it. Then you have the capacity to make tons of money in it. I also say that don't hesitate to spend money on learning in the initial stages. You can buy courses or you can join classes which are legit. Always, while you're buying a course or joining the class, you have to be very clear, is that guy making money or is just uh, earning money from courses or other things. You have to be very clear, and if he's successful, and you can make him as a mentor and learn from him, and you can improve on your trading system too. I always say that free source, there are many free sources available in the initial for you to learn about trading in the initial stages. You can learn that and then join your course and retune your system according to the mindset you have, and then build a profitable system. This will reduce your shorten your learning curve. And many guys who want to learn trading takes 1 or 2 years to learn about the basic concepts. You have to, there are many guys who will reduce your learning curve and shorten your learning curve. Mindset plays an important role in trading. You have to have a proper mindset. Without proper mindset, you can't be a successful trader. And risk management is the important thing that everybody should learn to survive in this business. Without risk management, you can't do anything in this market. If you're not properly following the risk management, you can't make big money in the market. This is the real truth. Trading is risky, but if you learn how to do it, it will be a lot more rewarding. When you make or lose money, that should be decided by your own system, and you should not follow anyone. You have to build your own system and research on your stocks, and have to build a system that will work. As a college student, follow this step and start learning. If you are interested, your years of hard work in trading will reward you someday. These are the things you should keep in your mind and start learning about trading. You should have a proper plan before entering into the markets. And if you are very interested to learn about this, you have to come to the market. Don't come for the namesake to make pocket money in markets. It won't work. You have to have a consistent plan, system, and proper mindset to earn good money from the markets. And it is possible, and many guys have done that. So if you want to be successful in trading, you have to you have to put your hard work and do consistently. Further, I like to add a note that many young guys are misled by the wrong people who are saying that you can make money in this way, that way, within 1 or 5 minutes, within 1 minute, you within one day you can putting 5,000, you can earn 500. That is not possible in long term. Putting 1,000 and getting 500 is 50% of your capital. So yeah, a guy who gives you 50% in a day, he is not legit. You have to be very clear on that. You should know something about markets. You have to learn and retune your system to make something in the market. Okay, keep in that mind. Okay, nobody will give you that experience as you yourself learn and trade. So be clear on that. Don't get into the traps and just say that trading is a gambling, you can't make money from it, like that. Don't get into the trap. From experience, I'm saying that if you're consistent for the past 1 or 2 years, and you keep on learning and improving system and following the same strategy and you using and cope up with the market conditions, I'm sure that you will make something in the market that will be very rewarding for your hard work you did. And you have to be very consistent in markets, and your mindset should be proper. That is the key to success in markets. And one of the important things in every other than these points is risk management. Risk management is key to success in trading. Okay, you should know where to risk, how much to risk, and what are the places you have to risk more, and what are the places you have to risk very less, and how to put your stop loss, how to set your targets, and everything will be discussed in the upcoming videos in this channel. Okay, you have to keep on learning about this in this channel. In the upcoming days, many learning content related to trading will be uploaded, and it will be very useful for you guys to learn about trading and other systems that you are making mistakes. And you also take notes from that and keep on retuning your system. And if it suits your system, just use it, or else you can learn from other people. Further, you can follow me on Twitter, where I will post my trades and analysis, and also you can follow my Telegram account, where I will do live sessions in the coming days. And these live sessions will be absolutely free, and you can join there and learn something about markets, how this works, how that works. In my experience, I will teach all the things to you, and all the links are in the description. Do follow and learn. That's it, guys. Be positive, focus on your goals, and believe it, and keep learning. Thank you, guys. Meet you soon in another video. Thank you.